Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. You guys are probably thinking that it's Monday right now because that's the start of the week. I consider that the start of my week. Some people think Sunday is the start of the week, and that to me is extremely weird. But it is the start of the week. No, it's not. God, I don't know what I'm on about. It's actually Friday. So, but yeah, there's no true reason why I haven't been vlogging or anything. I'm not like sick. Well, I am sick, but I didn't not vlog because I was sick. Nothing bad's happened. I just haven't vlogged this week. This is honestly the first week since I started doing Weekly Live, like over a year ago, that I've genuinely not vlogged anything this week. Like some weeks when you guys don't see a vlog, I'll still try to vlog and then be like, oh, I don't like it. I'll vlog and then I'll be like, I don't like it, and I'll stop vlogging, but I'll always start vlogging. This week I haven't even touched my vlogging camera at all. Got a really big day at work today. Yesterday my staff, like my school has like a staff meeting every term that's for well-being, so it's like a fun thing. Like one time we went to a winery, another time we did yoga. For my staff's one, we made like overnight oats so that we could all have breakfast together and stuff like that. So it's like little, like not holistic, but like, you know, cute things. And the one yesterday was a Mario Kart tournament, which was so much fun. I won, which was great. It wasn't actually my meeting. You'd think that I was the one who'd planned it, but it wasn't, I promise. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, I've had quite a busy week. I have had such a good week of eating, you guys, like so good. Like even so I don't know if you guys really heard at the end of last week's vlog, but I'm going refined sugar free because I don't want to go sugar free. Like I enjoy eating sweet foods and my skin doesn't break out when I have sugar. Like I don't feel sick when I have sugar, you know. Like I don't think I need to give up sugar full stop, but I want to, excuse me, during this challenge, give up refined sugars. So like sugar, like in ingredients, like just basically like sugar, pretty basic. I haven't had a single sweet all week. I've been making my own sweet treats, which, seeing as this vlog is so short, when I make some more sweet treats this weekend, I will vlog it for you guys. So for my first meal of the day, I've been having hummus, and then I've been having some bagel bites. The reason why I've been having this is just because it's like a little savory start to the day. You guys, I'm eating a lot of food at the moment, but like the food that I'm eating is quite like low in calories, but I'm having like lots of things, you guys will see. So I have about 30 grams of hummus, which is like probably about a tablespoon or just over a tablespoon. I'm still weighing my food, if you guys were wondering. People in my real life are like, why do you always weigh what you're eating? And it's just like, some people might think that it's obsessive, but it's just like, I just feel so much more like in control, and I just like know what I'm eating, and I just feel better knowing like that I'm actually eating how much I think I'm eating, because like serving sizes and like what you think they would be is super whack. So anyway, now I've got literally the bottom of the bag, which is just like broken pieces, but I'm gonna have about 30 grams of this. See if I can find any big bits in here. I've also been having these. I really like these. They're by Blue Dinosaur, which is like, I think it's like a protein or like paleo brand. And these are the super bites. I'm pretty sure these are paleo. There's like practically nothing in these. All that's in these is coconut, dates, cacao butter, and this one's got Himalayan rock salt. I also like the acai berry ones. For my actual, let me show you my other snacks. So the next two snacks are from Better Being Steph, and I'm going to make some stuff from her on the weekend. But this is a cookie dough ball, which is made with lots of peanut butter. So I'm going to have one of those, and then I'm going to also have one of her, this is her gingerbread muffin, which don't think I'll be making it again. Probably. I didn't really love it, but it was okay. It just wasn't my favorite. But yeah, these are both refined sugar free. They don't even have, they just have honey in. That's pretty much it as far as sugar goes. For my lunch, I have like, this is chickpea pasta with, I think it's about 125 grams of chicken breast, pesto, parmesan, and I have some sun-dried tomatoes in there. And oh, the only other thing that I'm going to take is just a little container with some BCAAs in so that I can have them when I have my lunch, because having something sweet with my lunch stops me from like wanting to go and buy like a Coke or anything. And also I need BCAAs because I've been to the gym and my muscles get really tired. So yeah, that's what I'm eating at school today. When I get home, I'll show you guys what I have, because seeing as I haven't really vlogged that much, I may as well show you guys everything that I eat today. Told you guys I'd film my dinner, and I'm gonna film my dinner even though it's not healthy dinner, but that's alright. Do you guys want chips as well?
I'm good, thank you. I would mind a couple.
This is on such a funny angle, but this is, thank you. Barbecue pork fried rice. Just gonna have a look. Good morning guys, it is Saturday, it's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to go quickly to Source Foods. It's a little bit of a journey, but it's worth it because you get really good high quality ingredients, and you like can buy them without plastic and stuff. So I'm going to go there because I am currently obsessed with Better Being Steph's healthy recipes. I actually really enjoy them. I have made other healthy recipes before and I don't really like them, but I particularly like Steph's ones. I don't know what it is, but I do really like her recipes. So I'm gonna go pick up, I think the main things that I need are coconut flour, like heaps of chocolate chips, heaps and heaps of chocolate chips, and I also want to get some coconut flour. I have heard though that buckwheat flour is better than coconut flour, but the recipes that I've seen require coconut flour, so we'll give it a try. Alright, so this is what we got from the supermarket. So shredded chicken for pizzas, ham for pizzas, salami for pizzas. These are the pizza bases that we like. Tomato paste, oh my gosh, I forgot how to speak English. And then I get these, any kind of Farrah's wraps, if I'm gonna have a wrap pizza or just for regular wraps. And then I saw this at the supermarket, and it's by Streets, which I can't remember which ice creams they do, but they're like a decent brand. 308 calories in the tub. And this is refined sugar free, but it has artificial sugars, so I might just have this as a treat. Not like an all the time thing, at least not while I'm doing refined sugar free. Same with this, couldn't resist. I'm going to set you guys up so that I can show you what's in there because it's all bagged up. Alright, so from Source I got, I think this is, yeah, some coconut sugar, because some recipes need coconut sugar. Coconut sugar pretty much just smells like brown sugar. This is my huge bag of, these are called carob buttons, so they're like, just like chocolate buttons, but they're like not as sweet, it's more like cocoa-y, or like cacao-y or carob or whatever, I don't know, but there's like no sugar in them other than like from the milk. And then this is coconut flour, and then I also got some almond flour. So boring, I know, but see, like almond flour sweats. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can definitely see that. So if you ever buy almond flour, make sure you rehouse it. So we just put them into little jars. Let me get them out. They have jars like this. Oops, I didn't actually need any almond flour. Hopefully it all fits in here. I don't think it will. I'm gonna use some later, but hopefully we get it to fit. You guys can't quite see this. In true Olivia fashion, my camera died while I was unpacking the box, but right now I'm going to do some baking. I'll show you my bits. Sorry, I'm just using this box as a tripod booster because the tripod's too short. But I'll show you what I got. I put it into jars. I think I already told you guys everything, but I'll just go through it again. So we've got coconut flour, which we need for one of the recipes today. I just topped up the almond meal, but I do have some in the cupboard that I couldn't fit, so I'm going to use that first. Coconut sugar, just a little bit, because I don't think any of these recipes need it, but I know that some recipes do need it. And then these are like no added sugar chocolate chips. I feel like you guys are on an angle. Shit. There we go. Alright, so let's have a look at the recipes. I don't really know which one I want to do. I think I want to do chocolate chip cookies, but I'm not 100% on that yet. And I think I want to do the Twix. She has like a Twix slice. So I just saved them all, and I just have like a full like album on Instagram with all of the treats. So I think we're going to do these protein Twix bar slices, which looks like this. I'll link the recipes down below if you guys want to make them yourself.
This one you actually have to cook, but I have all the ingredients now. I hopefully have enough peanut butter. I should do. And then I think I'm also going to make, I know it's an ice cream sandwich, but the recipe is for cookies. I think I have everything for those too. She has like a vegan, it's like a vegan recipe, but there's nothing in here that's like actually like vegan. That didn't even make sense. So I'm gonna do those two. I'll probably just speed up these clips, but I'll put both the recipes down below if you wanted to see them. I also kind of want to make these as well. Do I need 3 treats? No, but should I make them? Yes. Okay, so we're gonna also make these peanut butter protein Oreos. Yay, let's go. Alright, so here are the cookies. It made 6 large cookies, just like the recipe said. It's quite an interesting texture. I'll go close so that you guys can see. Maybe. It's quite like bitty, but we'll see. So I've got 6 there. I'll put the macros on the recipe actually. I won't bother putting them on the screen. If you want to know more about them, you can go check the recipe. But I've preheated my oven, so I'm going to chuck those in. I've got the other tray, which obviously needs a good clean, but I've got that out for my other stuff. So let's chuck them in the oven. Alright, and here are the Oreos. So you get 6 Oreos out of this, because obviously you need 2 stuck together. You can see better in this one, like how like bitty coconut flour kind of like makes the dough. It's super duper sticky. It's hard to show you guys, but it tastes pretty good. So I'm gonna put those in the oven as well. I'll show you. I should probably talk to you with my face, but I'm gonna pop those in the oven as well, and then I'm gonna get the base done for the Twix, because the Twix, you need to cook the base, then freeze the base for like hours, so I'll have to finish that later. So I'm gonna finish that and then it'll be done for now. I'll come back when I'm gonna like not ice these but make the filling. Alright, so quick review of the recipes. The cookies and the Oreos were really easy. Well, they're all easy, but I mean they like worked well. The slice, I had to like add quite a lot more liquid to it because it was quite chunky, but I've got the slice, well, the part of the Twix, like the slice part in the oven, and then this is what the other two look like. Now I think 180 is too hot, at least in my oven, so like they're kind of still like squishy. I don't know if you can tell, but I love how they look, how they've like cracked. And then these ones, same thing again, like they still feel quite squishy, but then again they haven't really set. This one actually broke and you can kind of see that it's still like squidgy in the middle. I don't know, I'll see how I feel about them, but yeah, those are the chocolate chip and then these are the Oreos. But I just think these look really cool. So once these are dry, thanks car. Once these are dry, I'll make the cream cheese mixture for the inside, and then in like ages, like 4 hours. Hey, attractive angle, dirty oven. In like 4 hours, I'll finish off this one, but I just need it to kind of like crispen up a little bit. I've still got quite a while. Yeah, 7 minutes. Now I'm just gonna go watch Drag Race and relax. Yay. I'm not wearing a top, you guys, so I'm just gonna stand like this, but this is my dinner, pizza. Alright guys, it's now the moment of truth. I'm just trying to find a box to put my tripod on. Oh, you can tell my glands are swollen. Oh my gosh, it actually looks worse on camera than I thought it would. Anyway, did you hear Corpu's fart on the vlog? I hope it came through. Okay. Oh, sis needs to squat down a little bit. Alright. Hazel enlightened me that Streets makes paddle pops, and paddle pops are real icy, so I don't really have that high of hopes for this ice cream. But ice cream is ice cream, so we're gonna try it. I got vanilla because I am vanilla. No, I really like vanilla ice cream. They also have chocolate and like raspberry something. I don't know. Sorry, I was just smelling it. Okay, so
Looks soft.
yeah, it's very soft and it's got little vanilla beans in it. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is soft ice cream. By the way, this was $6.40. If you're going to compare it to Halo Top, it was like, I think it Pack and Save Halo Tops less than $10. I feel like it's $9 something, so it's still $3 cheaper. All right. It's actually really good. It's like really, really creamy. It's kind of a little bit sickly sweet though. I think they might have put too much sweetener in it. But you know what this would be good with? Chocolate shell. It actually does have vanilla bean in it. I thought the black dots might have been like fake vanilla bean, but it's actually vanilla bean. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit too sweet, sickly sweet, I think. I'll try cookies and cream next time. I'll definitely still eat it, but you need to like have it with something. You can't just eat it by itself. By the way, this is what they came out like. It was super hard to coat them because the chocolate was melting the coating. So some of them I like double dipped. You'll see, oh my god, this looks so good. This one I had to double dip because it wouldn't coat properly. And the other ones like have little mini lava explosions where the like, I don't know, caramel layer was squeezing through. So yeah, oh my gosh, so excited. I do need to change my recipe to like up the calories a little bit because I had to put more chocolate in, so it'll probably be closer to like maybe like 180 per bar. But anyway, let's have a try. I don't know whether I should wait for it to defrost a little bit. We'll go for it. It definitely tastes healthy, but it's still good. That chocolate crunch was everything though. This is my breakfast this morning. Extremely old bagels, I hope they're okay. Cream cheese, pesto, bacon and halloumi. Yum! Please ignore Drag Race if you guys can hear it, but I bought some stuff from Chemist Warehouse. I got some magnesium stuff, so I got this spray and then the sleep cream. I'll let you guys know how those go. Olive leaf because it's good for when you're getting sick, and then I got these shampoos because I really like the OGX ones. So yes, and then that's pretty much all that's happening today. Haven't done anything. Yeah, I'll never not laugh at this angle, you guys. I can't be bothered moving it, but this is dinner. It's chorizo pasta, chicken and chorizo pasta, basically. Macaroni cheese with chicken and chorizo.